Hi everybody again, this is the same night, part one of the finished fabrication of the top. Thought I'd give you a little view of it. Blows the air down the fins, keeps all my electronics cool. Sorry I'm having a little smoke break here, but thought I'd give you a show. So far so good. Okay, here's parts supply. People were asking me what do I use in a parts deal and if I could supply them a material list. You kind of have to wing it. It's different per light for what you want to do. I found these Meanwell ballasts from LEDsupply.com. You can run anywhere from 1 LED to 10 5-watt LEDs per ballast. So of course I have another stack of them here. Thought I'd show you this one. Okay, so on to the deal here. For this reef tank I am going to do a bunch of white. We have 2 ballasts here that are going to drive these with dimmers. 4 warm white, 6500 Kelvin white, cool white. We have blue. These are all 5-watt XTE chips from Cree. So basically you do your calculations. I got 2 drivers that'll drive these 2 sets. Another 2 drivers that'll do those. We have dark red, 660 I think it is. We have regular red, 630. These are 5-watt chips too. I think these are Epistars. These are Crees. We're going to go with the UV 430, 1 on each corner of the tank, 2 per fixture on each end. We are going for a cyan. I think it's a 595, on a UV 405, UV 395, 400 I think it was. I'm going to run all these on 1 ballast. This is also be dimmable, dimmable, and 2 more. That's why I need 6 ballasts. These 2 sets will be hooked together. The 2 ballasts will be hooked together. Be a slave and a master dimmer driver deal. So I need 1 dimmer to dim 2 ballasts. These new ballasts can be used as slave master deals. Pretty awesome. Pay a few extra bucks for them, but they're kick-ass. They can also be set to run anywhere from 350 milliamp clear up to 1400 milliamp. You adjust some dip switches inside. Most universal driver I've ever seen. Pretty kick-ass. You'll need a bunch of Arctic silver like crazy. Every one of these chips has to be greased when you put it down. A whole bunch more chips for the next fixture. Next fixture's in progress. Got the parts rounded up for it. We'll be starting on it next. For Ol'skool days, I have a fixture up here I built, I don't know how many years ago, but it is a multiple, what do you want to call it? HID light. It has 4 metal halides in it, 4 T5 4-foot 46-inch tubes, a hell of a wad of cords, and a ballast box about the size of that cooler up there. So I'm replacing it with some newer school LEDs. So I've built my fixtures in the past. Being an electrician for 34 years or something strange, I've done all kinds of projects. That's the next housing for a tank that I'm going to do downstairs next to my refugium in the basement. I'll just use that 55-gallon barrel sump. I was looking at a 40 breeder tank at PetSmart. It's like 90 bucks. There's my next light for the top of it. Thought I'd give you a quick update. Have a good night. Take care. Sorry to be so brief. Have a good night.